what it is called in grammar, it's actually called Deixis. I want to really ask or really start the prompt by showing you the paragraph. You see the repetition of raha, rahe, rahi, right? But we don't know what that is. So that's the topic for this class. We'll dig deeper and we'll learn about this concept. It's called Deixis in English grammar. So when I say yeh rahi kitab, what information that conveys you? Here's the book. Why do you think we use rahi here? Yeah, kitab is feminine and singular. आपका passport कहाँ है? But you will say ये रहा passport. Okay, बच्चे कहाँ हैं? ये रहे. Where are the kids? Here are they. Okay, ये रहे बच्चे. Now let's say typically we tend to lose the keys a lot, like the keys to the house or the car. And like where are the keys? Yeh rahi keys. Okay, what is keys called in Hindi? Singular and plural. Yes, singular is chabi. Okay, chabiyan. If it is plural, you will say ye rahi chabiyan. You're right. If it is multiple one, these are the keys. Ye rahi chabiyan. So right now we've spoken about the nouns being like the object. How about the person? Okay, let's say you want to show, your friend is somehow either, you're looking for your friend, okay, in a party, and there are a lot of people, you're not able to locate your friend, right? And your other friend come to you and like, here's your friend, okay, he's showing you actively, he's your friend. How will your friend respond to you and convey, here's your friend? यह रहा तुम्हारा दोस्त. What else do we tend to forget? Chashma, very good. How will you respond to that? Beautiful. यह रहा तुम्हारा चश्मा. Beautiful. यह रहा मेरा phone. Right? Because it's not like somebody showing it to you, you found it yourself, right? So यह रहा मेरा phone. Kind of like the phone revealed it to you yourself, right? I mean, so ये रहा मेरा phone. यह रहा मेरा phone. Okay? I tend to lose the charger a lot. मेरा charger कहाँ है? I'm going to give you guys scenarios now, okay? And I'm going to ask all of you to try it out, including the folks who are watching live on Facebook. I'm trying to find my train ticket, and my train is in like 30 minutes. The answer is correct. I think I want all of you to try it out. यह रहा आपका ticket. Or if you're saying it as a feminine, you will say यह रही आपकी ticket. The next situation, I'm in the crowd and I'm looking for my guests. Okay, guests. I live in an apartment, let's say, and there are many people here, and I'm meeting them after a while, and they're also trying to find me. In Hindi, it's mehman. You have a ma with a, her, and then ma with a and mehman. Wonderful, right? Ye rahe aapke mehman. Okay? Wonderful. Now I'm going to switch to some, the daily used items. Okay? Let's say you are buying something at a shop. Right, in any grocery shop, or you pay with your credit card or you pay with the cash, and the cashier is giving you the receipt. Right, typically they are supposed to give you, and they want to show you that the receipt. How will they tell you? And receipt is in Hindi is considered feminine. Yeah. Anyone can guess what is receipt in Hindi? Okay, very good, very good. So you have a R, S with E and the. यह रही आपकी receipt. I see, wonderful. Right. So next one is you are, okay, official, and this is you're learning from the formal vocabulary as well. You are, visiting a lawyer, okay? And lawyer is showing you or giving you the official documents, Okay, how will the lawyer show you, or how will he or she tell you in Hindi? Beautiful. ये रहे आपके documents. Okay, and because I said it's official. Okay, how do you say official documents in Hindi? Okay, very good. Okay, so I'm going to give you a simple one, just the dastaવેજ. So you have a the, half sa, the with a, dasta, and then vej. So you have a v with a and then z. Okay, so this is a. Okay, so you have a almost like a dust, but it's the sound. Dust, a, vej. It's a sort of a loose Romanagri, dastaवेज. It's a complicated word, right? So dastaवेज. ये रहे आपके dastaवेज, right? You want to say, here's the rent. How would you say that? ये रहा आपका, and the word here is, ये रहा आपका. Either you can say rent if you don't know it, or you can say kiraya. So you have a k with e, ra with a, and here with a, kiraya. Okay, kiraya. ये रहा आपका किराया. Right, so what we'll do, where we started, I'm gonna have the same paragraph where we started. Okay, read it one more time, and this time you will translate it. यह रहा, he didn't, the person is not saying यह रहा passport.
Yeah.
It's implied because she is talking about passport, and you are saying ये रहा.
Yeah.
Here it is. Yeah. Jeb is the pocket. It's fine, but के अंदर के बाहर, it's a compound position. के अंदर, okay, inside. के inside. के बाहर is, घर के बाहर is outside the house. घर के अंदर is inside the house. Right? So file के अंदर is inside the file. के पास is near. That's right. They're kept near the suitcase. What about this? Where रहे जूते basically, right? Where रहे, there they are. Of you is this is a very, I had to kind of like spend some time on it. So this paragraph is a very good paragraph if you want to practice Deixis in Hindi. You don't have to watch the entire video. Just reading this paragraph will sort of like brush up this concept pretty frequently for you, right? So this is it's my recommendation that you use it as a go-to source, so that way you will not forget it. Yeah. I'm going to stop the broadcast, and I'll take any questions that you may have. So give me 1 minute, and for folks who watch live,